Hey, hi, my dear client. This video is to educate about what is the process behind onboarding call. To start your advertisements on Facebook and Instagram, we have to set up your digital assets. To run ads, we don't need your credentials of your Facebook and Instagram. Instead of that, we are going to just create a business manager and getting the partner as access as advertiser. To set up those things, you must have your Facebook page and your Instagram page. We are going to connect on the back end of your business manager ID and getting the access of your partner access. To set up those things, we need your 30 minutes of your time. We will onboard you. We will share a Zoom call link and we will explain everything transparently, like how to set up those things. And you're just sharing your screen and we will guiding the technical part, how to set up those things. Just get your idea. I had created a YouTube video as well, how to create the digital asset. You just watch that video. You just have take the idea by watching that video. That's it. You don't have worry about that part because you have decided to work with us, right? One of our client made $7,000 in just 30 days. Every single dollar you are going to invest with us, we are giving you $3 back on the positive ROI. I mean, return on investment. Thanks for your valuable time. Looking forward for your onboarding call. And just ping me if you have any doubts. Till then, bye bye.